Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here to show you a beautiful new boat by MJM Yachts. It's a 35Z. It's a phenomenal boat, very traditional looking. The lines on it are great, and they've taken a traditional style boat with the inboards, and now they're making it with the outboards, which for us down here especially is just an incredible combination. It's got a lot of power. It's powered by the Mercury 300, so it's got the twin 300s. Fast boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the MJM 35Z. Let's start at the back of the boat. Again, I mentioned the motors on the back. It's the new Mercs, 300 horsepower. Fantastic motors, very, very quiet. Push this boat to a real good top end and a good hole shot as well. Lots of comfy seating on the boat. Also storage on this. They've done a fantastic job. You lift this up. What a place for lines and fenders and toys and anything else that you want to get. You got a step down inside there, so real nice large storage in the back. We lift this seat up and we've got good storage. You've got the ladder, good storage for the ladder, your power cords, another good place for lines as well. You have a dive door, which is great for boarding. So when you're up against a floating dock, you can open it up and you can walk straight on. It's the safest way to walk on this boat or any boat by far. So nice feature on this boat. You got a refrigerator for everybody up in the cockpit area, which is real nice. Has a little freezer in it. And then storage wise, we got opposing seating here, which you can put 3 adults on each side. So 6 adults comfy right here. And then storage again is huge. Goes all the way down to the back there. You got your water tank, but everything's neat, everything's clean, everything's very accessible. You get the exact same thing on this side, so huge storage on both sides. You got a table that comes up right in here, and then as we come to the helm, it's got really cool. It's got the cool traditional steering wheel on it. I love it. Very nice. It's got all the modern technology on it. This boat does have the joystick, so it locks in place with Skyhook, which is fantastic. Has the auto heading on it, which is real easy autopilot, and the boat can go sideways. And if you run into a stiff wind where it's taking the bow a little bit, it even has a bow thruster to give you a little extra push. So there is not a slip that you're not going to be able to get in and out of on this boat, which is just a great feature. Digital throttle and shift. It does have the Seakeeper, which is a really huge feature on this boat. It makes a gigantic, it takes the boat from rocking like this down to almost not rocking at all, which takes 90% of the rock out, which is just great. So this doesn't get people sick. That's what gets people sick, and it cuts it basically right out. So you got the good technology up here. You got the touchscreen Garmin. You got the vessel view, and so you've got everything you need. It's a really nice, comfortable, great captain seat on it as well. So move down into the cabin. What a gorgeous cabin this is. I mean, the woodworking on it is just top of the line. We've got a microwave. We've got a refrigerator, good size refrigerator here. You got a single burner, just for cooking. It's pretty simple. The woodwork on the interior is just absolutely gorgeous. This is a V-berth. The table goes down, and this will turn into a bed. So these will fold up, and it goes down, and it will turn into a bed. And then opposite me, we've got a really nice head. Mirror, all recessed mirror on the inside. You got the curved door, which is a really nice feature. And then as you look inside, just nicely done. It really feels like a yacht. It feels and looks like a yacht, and just runs exceptional. So this boat overall does everything. It's got night vision on it. It's got radar. It's got all the features you're going to want on this boat. It's got them all. So if you'd like to see it or have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.